So today we are in this heritage hotel called Seef Heritage Hotel by Hilton. So this is Curio Collection by Hilton Hotels, and they have opened this in Dubai, near Dubai Creek. This is the souk area which you might be aware of, and since it is a heritage collection, everything is vintage, everything is heritage. 117. This is the room. Brilliant souk views, which is right on that side. You can see the water and every room tour. Vintage knock system on this old cupboard style system, which you can open like this. And inside they have bedding rope and hangers, and this entire almirah kind of a system, which also has a full-size mirror on this side. So yeah, it's all so lovely, amazing, and something boot polish, and it's all equipped with everything that you need, and the old doors. Let's show you the washrooms. So this is the washroom area again. The old this knock like this. How it looks like, you have a mirror here, you have some lantern style lights, this ones, and then you have old style storage hair dryer by Valera. You have toilet pot, and then you have a telephone. Just look at this telephone, it's like the ring ones, and then you take this and the corded wires with it. Now you also dial to the reception areas or whoever place you want to dial to in the hotel. You use this telephone here. See the dustbin. Use your leg to open it. You have to actually manually do it. Oh my god! This looks like a carpet. It's all fitted in, and everything is brass, but very interesting also. And so are these taps. Everything. Lotion. This is from Crabtree and Evelyn. That's the brand that they're using here. This is the body lotion that we have, and then they also have a bath soap from the same brand. Napkins, yeah, amazing style. Glasses, earbuds kit which has toothbrushes inside. So this is the bathing area. This is shower, and they have shampoos and conditioners also in there. Quite enough space for one person here. Storage cabinet. Inside you have a safe where you can put in your valuables, gold, ornaments, iPhones and everything, and just lock it so your valuables are safe in here. Coffee maker, water boiler, whatever you want to use it as. And this is a coffee machine in here, an espresso that you have that you can use. They have given in some tea, coffee powder, sugar, and also some powder or milk, like sugar free and stevia. And you have white sugar, raw sugar, tea bags. This is green tea Moroccan mint by Dilmo, English breakfast tea, and of tea, so whichever you want to use. Nescafe coffee powder. Amazing teapot which you can use once you have prepared your tea. You can put it in this. Must. And you have these teacups, glasses. You'll have to apply some additional force. There is a fan, but there is also centralized air conditioning. It's all cool in here, even though outside is actually very hot. And they have these amazing frames here, wherein they have the desert area captured, some moments from there, some pictures from there, the camel, and also just the regular Emirati life that was there. From what you see in a regular hotel room, that's why it's a heritage hotel. And again, a table lamp, again vintage. And then this is an old radio. I don't think it plays though, but a valuable piece. This is from, I think, HILTON. This is the brand. Nice. And And then this is the television, which is again fitted in a frame which is made of wood. And the wood tables over here, and some again you can put stuff here. Tray. The remote is also unique, quite huge. I think it has everything in this. It also has an alarm here, so yeah, quite a vintage collection stuff. And again, this dustbin, magnificent mirror, which you can use for photographs from the journeys, from the lifestyle that was, and some more stuff. And this is the land. Okay, keep water, sprinkle water, I think. And the switches, old school. You just take if you want to off, you just put that, and then the light goes off and upwards. And then this is a sitting area, a small sofa with some pillows and some the beds with 2 pillows, and it's all very comfy. You can just sit in here. Add some more lights, lantern kind of lights. I think this will look better during the night times. Yes, and some decor items in the middle. That's the traditional decor, I think, and the traditional fan. I don't think we would require this because there is air conditioning, but in case required, you can use this too. This is the entire room. Feels like living in, But then you have some carpets here, which are like so nice. These are bedside carpets, and the carpets are actually very famous in the work that they do. And you have a small window which you can keep open. You can also open this and see outside, or towards the evening when it's cooler, you can just keep this open and see the view outside. There's a souk view outside, and you can also see different buildings. So it's a huge hotel, and there are different buildings, and there are rooms in every building. So according to the room that you've booked, you will get a different kind of building. And there are a lot of restaurants and shops, local shops. Everything is there inside this hotel area, so which I'll show you in just some time. This is how you can close this or keep it open. And then we have a small balcony, which is the last part, and then same doors. And then this is the balcony. Let's go outside. And that's a different room there. There's a small table kind of a thing. You can keep your tea, coffee, or maybe drinks also if you want, and just sit here and read a book or drink. And this is the entire view. And downstairs you can see all the shops, everything. There's a Starbucks also, and it's people are just walking, going to places, and there's just so much in here. Very good stuff. Let me know how you like this hotel. Now we will in some time explore downstairs and the entire area outside. I'll show you what all shops are there, what all we get inside this hotel area, and yes, we're going to explore the entire Alseef area because this is a little not so explored, not